Namaskar students. In PRPT chapter 5 petrochemicals, we covered C2 compounds. Now we are going to discuss ethylene oxide, C2 compound, last chemical. Ethylene oxide. Formula is CH2O CH2. Molecular weight almost 44. Melting point minus 111.7 degree Celsius. Boiling point 10.7 degree Celsius. Density 0.896 at 0 degree Celsius. Flash point minus 15 degree Celsius. Explosive limit lower 3% in air, upper 80% in air. Toxicity limit 25 to 100 ppm. These are the physical properties of ethylene oxide. Now, methods of production. So, two methods are there. First one is direct oxidation of ethylene. First method is, which is in our syllabus, direct oxidation of ethylene, and second one is chlorohydrination of ethylene. Chlorohydrination of ethylene. First one reacts raw material ethylene, air, EDC as suppressing agent to reduce the reaction, and silver oxide as catalyst T. Chemical reaction is CH2 double bond CH2 plus 1/2 O2. It gives CH2 dash O dash CH2. If side reaction is there, then in bracket CO2 plus H2O is produced. Okay. Now let's discuss the methods. Okay, as shown in flow diagram, basic raw material ethylene and air are compressed separately and mixed and passed over a reaction having a catalyst silver oxide. Okay, there is a fixed bed tubular reactor. Okay, both are fed to a tubular reactor. Temperature is maintained around 250 to 300 degree Celsius. The reaction is highly exothermic. So the best is carried out in a fixed bed tubular reactor in which heat transfer is pumped around the tube within the cell. That's why the temperature is maintained around 250 to 300 degree Celsius. Okay. To reduce the side reaction, EDC, ethylene dichloride, is added to the feed. Okay. Heat is recovered in waste heat steam boiler, which is left side from the diagram. Now the flow is designed such as the residence time should be only 1 second, which gives 60 to 70% yield. Then after, the effluent gases from the reactor are water washed under pressure in water absorber. To absorb ethylene oxide is sent to pack bed desorber, then stripper, and then it is taken from refining steel as overhead product. Light ends are removed from the stripper with some amount of water vapor, and from refining steam heavy ends are removed from the bottom of the column. Okay, this is the basic process description of ethylene oxide by air oxidation of ethylene, or we can say direct oxidation of ethylene. Major engineering problem is volume ratio of air ethylene. Second one, air versus oxygen feed ratio. Third one is fluidized bed versus fixed bed. Use of reactors in series. And last one is hydration of ethylene oxide to glycol. These are the basic problems which is occurring in the flow diagram. Okay, simple process is there. Air and ethylene are the main two materials. EDC as a suppressing agent to reduce the reaction. Okay, fixed bed tubular reactor is there. Reaction is highly exothermic. So to maintain the temperature 250 to 300, it is a tubular reactor. Okay, silver oxide as a catalyst is used in the reactor. Got it? Thank you.